In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add GIF in Wix. Adding a GIF to your Wix site is a simple way to bring motion and personality to your pages, whether you want a fun animation, a quick visual highlight, or just a bit of extra engagement. To get started, you will use the Wix editor, where you can place media directly onto your design. First, open your site in the editor. You can do this by logging into your Wix account and selecting the website you want to work on, then choosing the option to edit or open the site in the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, take a moment to orient yourself. Look for the left sidebar where the editing tools are, and make sure you can see the page area where your content will appear. This step matters because everything you add will be placed onto the live layout you are editing. Next, click the plus Add Elements button on the left sidebar. This is the main gateway for adding new content types to your page, like text, images, media, and more. After you click it, a panel or menu usually opens with categories. You will see options for different kinds of elements, and this is where you tell Wix that you want to work with a media file, specifically your GIF. Now select Media, and then click Upload Media to add your GIF file from your computer. When you choose Media, Wix will show you the Upload option. Click Upload Media, and then browse through the files on your computer to find the GIF you want to use. It is important to select the correct file and confirm that it is the one you intend to display, especially if you have multiple similar animations. After you select the file, Wix will begin uploading it to your Media Manager. Once the upload is complete, select the GIF from your Media Manager and click Add to Page. This step is where you move from having the GIF in your account to actually placing it onto your website. In the Media Manager, you should see your uploaded GIF listed among your uploaded assets. Click the GIF so it is selected and then choose Add to Page. After that, you should see the GIF appear on the page canvas. At this point, you can typically drag it into the position you want and adjust its size if needed, so it fits nicely with your layout. After you have placed the GIF where you want it, click Publish to make it live. Publishing updates your website with the changes you just made in the editor, so visitors can see the GIF on the live version of your site. Before you publish, it can help to quickly review the page to confirm that the GIF is placed correctly and looks the way you expect. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.